I think he could have just...
Buggy too.
Dude, I'm telling you, I've never seen a solid axle truck work that good at speed.
Yeah, we watched him on the woods. He was flat and level.
Oh, he just took out another rock. It's gonna
get tore.
This is gonna be horrible.
There we go. That's a beautiful boat.
It is. It's gonna be faster to go up the waterfall by the time this day's over. This is gonna get so chewed up.
He was on fire earlier.
Who?
Horseman. At the very beginning.
Yeah.
He was shooting flames out like crazy.
JR, he's got portals.
Oh, he got portals?
He's got portals, so he walked right over that rock that everybody else has been. All right, anybody who hates on portals, there's your proof.